Let's see what we have in store for the winter box this season. This is customization number 4. So make sure you stick around to the end because I have a code that's gonna help you save some money on your box, and you might see an Easter egg that has not been revealed yet. So make sure you comment below if you notice it, and also make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video if you wanna see more spoilers. It helps us out a lot. And okay, let's get started. First up, we have this Dulce travel spray from by Rosie Jane, and it's a blend of 2 kinds of vanilla, wood, caramel, and it has a dash of chocolate. So like the best smells ever. You open it like this, and you can spritz it all over. You want to avoid rubbing it or dabbing it because that breaks down the fragrance, pro tip. And you can also apply it onto your moisturized skin because that helps extend the fragrance. It honestly smells so good. And I'm not the biggest perfume girly, but I am going on a trip this winter, and it's tiny enough where you can put it in your travel bag, your purse, your backpack, and it smells amazing. You can just whip it out, do a little spray. It's perfect. This brand's deodorant was actually in the summer box and everyone loved it, so super excited to have the perfume in the winter box. Next is the Melissa Wood Health Yoga Block. So whatever level you're at in your yoga practice, yoga blocks are great because you can make modifications or do little adjustments if you're not like super flexible or you just need a little more stability. These are really nice to use. This also comes with 1 month free trial that you can use on her platform, and they have a ton of different class options. So there's Pilates, meditation, dance flow, stretches, and even live classes, which I'm super excited about because I love live classes. I feel like I need like the energy of a live class to get me going. Otherwise, I just don't. So I'm really excited, and it's great. New year, new routine. It's good for you. It's fun. Honestly, this is just the perfect thing to start the new year. So I'm super excited. Next, we have this Topicals Faded Under Eye Mask, and I love an under eye mask. I just literally feel like a celebrity every time I put one on. Like I am Kim Kardashian. I am Hailey Bieber. You're gonna want to apply this to a clean under eye for 15 minutes, and you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's also safe for hyperpigmentation. So I like using these as the first step in my makeup routine. Also, this would be such a good gift. Literally all of my friends love to use eye masks. I'm definitely gonna be gifting it this year, so a perfect additional choice item. Next, we have This Works Deep Sleep Overnight Cleanser, and I'm super excited about this one. The way that this works is that you apply it on your face like you would a normal cleanser, and then you wipe it off your face, but what's really cool is you don't have to rinse. So you can just use a cloth or a cotton pad, but no water. This was clinically tested and proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and help reduce skin redness. I am currently in grad school, so I have not really the time to do different serums and cleansers and moisturizers, so I'm really excited about this, that I don't even have to rinse off my skin. I can literally just put it on, wipe it off, relax with the smell, and go to bed. Okay, I'm so excited about this one. Next, we have the Sewing Down South Cooking Apron. It is a lightweight cooking apron that's super comfortable to wear in the kitchen. It's water resistant, and then it also has these pockets so you can like hold kitchen utensils. I imagine myself like moving so quickly in the kitchen that I have to put utensils in here, but that's just not my reality. In my mind, like that's what's happening. Also, the neck is adjustable, so you can make it shorter or longer depending on your preference. So you can machine wash this on cold with light colors and then dry on low heat. Next, we have the Skinny Scrunchie Trio from the brand Slip, and the colors are Candy, Blush, and Primrose. I love the design of this because it is a little ornament. You could like honestly hang it on a tree. It looks so cute, and I think that makes it such a good gift. These scrunchies are 100% mulberry silk, and every scrunchie has a really wide surface, which means it's designed to not give you those really annoying ridges that you get with regular scrunchies where you put your hair up for 5 seconds and you have all these gross crimps. I always sleep in silk scrunchies. Anyone has curly hair, I feel like everyone does the pineapple where you put your hair on the top of your head like this with a little silk scrunchie. It's really cute. But silk scrunchies are the best for that because like I said before, you don't get that annoying crease when you wake up. Also, these are so cute that I feel like I wouldn't be embarrassed having this on my wrist. I'm one of the people who always has some sort of scrunchie on my wrist because I have so much hair, I'm constantly putting it up. So having a cute scrunchie on your wrist is always gonna be a plus for me. Make sure you customize your winter box, and here is the code I promised you at the beginning of the video. Also, let me know what you think the Easter egg is in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great holiday season. Bye!